So in this question here, we've got the standard normal distribution. X is distributed normally 0, 1. So what that means is that the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. And also the variance is also 1 by virtue of 1 squared is 1. So we want to find the probability x is greater than x equals 0.6, and the opposite, probably x is less than x equals 0.6. Now we know the normal distribution is symmetrically distributed. So if we look at this bottom one, probability x is less than x, that's the one our calculator will give. We know that area from this side will go to 0.6, which is just over a half. So to be somewhere there, and this would be 0.6. So obviously this would be 0.4. So our calculator will throw out this one. So if we type this into our inverse normal CD function on our calculator, type mu is 0, sigma equals 1, and our area, which is the area this side, that would be 0.6. So we know we're going to get a result somewhere between 0 and 1, because if the mean is 0, we keep adding 1 each time for one standard deviation and subtracting on this side. So as our result is going to be somewhere here, we should get a number between 0 and 1. So what that will throw out for this first one, let's call that this one here. So probability x is less than x equals 0.6. In this case, x equals... So what we do, we've got it on variable, which is good. The tail, we want the left tail. Let's try that one first. Then we got 0.6 for the area. Then we've got, it's the standard normal, so the standard deviation is 1. The mean is 0, so press execute. And then we get, as we wanted, 0.2533 and so on. Now what we can do is we can go for the right tail, and that should give us the other value. So press execute, and you can see it's got the minus version. And then the last option we've got is to pick central, but then we've got to change the area to 0.2, and then that will give us both values, which is the plus and the minus of the 0.2533. Now, for the other one, probability x is greater than x, that means it'd be 0.6 on this side. So if we just draw a line there and just ignore this one, this area here would all be 0.6 and this bit here would be 0.4. So by the laws of symmetry of the normal distribution, we know if we subtract that from the mean, that'll give us our value for the second part. So probability x is greater than x equals 0.6. In this case, x would be minus 0.2533 because the mean is 0. So 0 minus this gives us that. And that will be the answer to our two questions regarding the normal distribution. Okay.